So this video, I will show you how to switch to the default background on the PlayStation 5 home screen. So for instance, maybe you chose a background and you don't like it, or if you want to just get to the default background, you can simply do this. You can simply make this change. So on the PlayStation home screen, navigate to the welcome option and select it. And then use the left analog stick and go to the option change background at the top right corner. So change background and select it. And then from here, find the background that is currently active on your PlayStation 5. So if you chose it from the PlayStation options, find it. If you chose it from the front games option, find it. Or if you chose it from the media gallery, find the background that is currently active. So for me, I chose from the PlayStation. So scroll down and find the background. So here is the current background that's currently active. Then select it, and that will restore the background back to default, as you have seen. So that's basically it on how to switch the background to the default background rather on the PlayStation 5 home screen. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.